All right.
Oh God, I gotta go look at it.
I'm in. All right, kids. Funky van tour. You know the drill. I'm gonna dub this the murder van because it looks all murdered out, which is amazingly little that you need to do just by painting the wheels. You get the full-on murder. But we're going for a Pink Floyd The Wall thing in here. Very nice. I'm kind of liking this. This young man here got this van very, very cheaply, and it had quite a few problems, but he's done the rocker arms. I didn't even see that.
Yeah.
That's cool as hell. How'd you do that?
They're LED random ones. I found them on Amazon for like 20, 30 bucks.
Really?
For a Dodge pickup truck.
Ah, but the same size?
Well, the grill was a little different. I had to cut the inserts a little bit.
I got you.
Fit in there.
Oh, I see it. All right. Okay. Oh, that's cool as hell. A lot of lights.
Did the newer van upgrade grill.
But this is a 14, I assume.
17.
17. Okay. I might have. No, wouldn't have had this grill yet. Very cool. I like that. That's, you might not be able to see on camera, but that's lit up and quite bright. But what's really exciting for me as a connoisseur is this hot action. Hit it. It actually sounds, I would describe that as throaty. What's crazy is it's code free. 200K, 271. Very nice. Nothing not to like about that. You're gonna get annoyed as hell with that exhaust sound. Yeah.
I guarantee you.
This is a
It
mistake.
already does annoy me, so I'm gonna go in and have him add another buffer.
We all make this mistake, is the way of things. Now he has, which is kind of interesting in a technical sense, these are not E-rated tires. These I imagine would be just regular, what they would call SL, standard load. But they look good. Now I experimented on one of my vans a long time ago with running standard tires. You're running so little weight right now, I don't think it's gonna matter. In mine, I found that I burned off a set of tires, especially in the front, like, I don't know, 15,000 miles or something. So the economics of it just didn't work out for me. But that doesn't mean it's not cool and sporty.
I plan on putting different wheels on it eventually, so I wanted to go with the cheaper tire.
I gotcha.
Anyways.
Well, Capricorn, that's a name that spells quality, and I like this. It's gonna be great. Do you remember
I already started designing a full air ride kit for it, so I'll be able to set the sink down on the ground. The front and rear.
The slam van, the murder van. That's the backup camera. That's how I did it. Smoked out lens caps. By the way, as a tip, what you'll find is you'll break a running light and you'll go to buy one and it's like $47 and you go, fuck that, I can buy them all on Amazon for $15 or $35, and then you get something custom and cool.
And LED.
Yep, LED, baby.
I dropped off brand new lenses to the tint shop today. They're gonna tint them dark black. So it's gonna be all dark black lights.
Did you do the Rhino liner on the?
Yeah.
Do you remember the brand of that?
Hercules or something like that.
All right, look, they look good.
So I Rhino lined the floor, then I covered it in sound deadener.
Okay,
and
like a
then-
Dynamat stuff?
Yep, some Dynamat, and then the 1/2-inch plywood. And
all right.
Flooring on top of that.
Well, that's overkill. You'll never have to worry about the floor.
And then the wall paneling is actually sound deadener panel.
Oh, okay. Cool. Very cool. You're going to put giant speakers in it and do all that stuff that young men do.
TV.
There you go, water beds and whatnot.
Family vacation.
You should try. I have a buddy who's about to try the Rhino liner on the plastic, on that
I
trim.
want to sand them down and paint them all gloss black.
That would work too.
Yeah.
Very cool. All right. Well, there it was, the murder van. Here's a goddamn lovely van.